Don't rock the boat. Navigating through smooth communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English idiom, don't rock the boat. It's a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or even songs. But what does it really mean, and how can you use it effectively in your communication? Let's find out together and ensure your English skills remain smooth sailing. Don't rock the boat is an idiom that suggests avoiding actions or statements that might upset the status quo or cause trouble within a group situation. Imagine yourself in a small boat with others. If someone starts to rock the boat, it could cause discomfort, or worse, tip the boat over. Similarly, in social or work environments, this phrase is used to advise caution and harmony, emphasizing stability over conflict. This idiom, like many others in English, comes from a literal understanding of causing disturbance in a physical sense that's been adapted for metaphorical use. It's commonly used in both professional settings, like in the workplace, where maintaining harmony is crucial, and personal relationships, where it might be advised to avoid unnecessary arguments or discussions that could lead to disputes. To help you better understand how to use "don't rock the boat," let's look at a few examples. In a team meeting, if someone suggests a radical change to a project that's already well underway, another might say, "Let's not rock the boat now. We're too close to the deadline." Or in a family gathering, if a topic arises that could lead to an argument, someone might whisper, "Don't rock the boat. Let's just have a peaceful evening." There are several phrases with meanings similar to "don't rock the boat." These include, maintain the status quo, keep things as they currently are, let sleeping dogs lie, avoid restarting a conflict. Don't upset the apple cart, avoid causing trouble by disturbing a stable situation. Understanding these can enrich your vocabulary and give you alternative ways to express the same caution in different contexts. And that's a wrap on "Don't Rock the Boat." We hope this video has shed some light on this intriguing idiom and how it can be used in your daily communication. Remember, English is a vibrant language full of expressions that can add color to your conversations. Keep learning, and don't hesitate to use "don't rock the boat" when you need to advocate for peace and stability. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning idioms not only helps you understand the language better but also gets you closer to becoming a fluent English speaker. Happy learning!